Assalamualaikum. Good morning. How are you all, students? I hope you all are fine. I am your mathematics teacher, Miss Aisha Riaz, and today we are going to discuss our remaining questions of exercise number 15.5. In physical classes, in regular classes, we did exercise number 15.5, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, and question number 5. We covered this all 5 questions in physical classes. And these questions from 7 to 18, these questions are remaining. So I will explain this all questions in this online video. So now let's come to the online video. So students, this is the video which I make for you. In this video, I explain all questions, all remaining questions of exercise number 15.5. A tree of 180 diameter height on bank of the river. Max angle of 30 degree directly on the opposite side of the river. Find the width of the river. So here I make a figure. Here is a tree and the height of tree is 180 diameter dm. And one bank of the river max angle directly opposite side. So here I draw a line and angle is 30 degree. Okay, so साइड के नेम दे देंगे हम ए, कैपिटल ए के अपोजिट स्मॉल ए आता है, बी एंड सी. कैपिटल ए के अपोजिट स्मॉल ए, कैपिटल बी के अपोजिट स्मॉल बी एंड कैपिटल सी के अपोजिट जो है वो स्मॉल सी. सो एंगल के अपोजिट साइड जो होती है वो हमारी परपेंडिकुलर कहलाती है. एंड यू हैव नीड टू फाइंड आउट द बेस, परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस विच इज़ द विड्थ ऑफ द रिवर. सो यूजिंग कंसिडर ट्राइंगल ए बी सी. कंसिडर ट्राइंगल ए बी सी. Okay, so here perpendicular 90 degree, where we know theta is equal to 30 degree and perpendicular is equal to, which is equal to a small a and 180 dm. We have need to find out the base which is equal to small b and which is the width of the river. So using tan theta, we use tan theta formula because we know the value of perpendicular and we have to find the value of base. So we know tan theta, theta is equal to 30 degree and perpendicular is equal to 180, and we have need to find out the base which is equal to small b. Tan theta according to chart is the 1 upon under root 3, 180 as it is and upon b as it is. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to 180 upon b. Equal sign is there. So b oppositely solve करेंगे. b multiply by 1 and under root 3 multiply by 180. So I write here b multiply by 1 equal to under root 3 multiply by 180. So b is equal to 311.76. And this is the answer. So here I write diameter dm. So here I write the width of the river is 311.76 dm, which is the answer. Is Ali standing in a stream? Find that the measures of angle of elevation of two trees of height 6 meter and 8 meter on opposite bank in the line with him are of 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the width of the stream. So here I make a figure. So Ali is standing in a stream. Ali is standing in a stream and we have two trees. So here I make a dot of two trees. So here is the one tree which is the 6 meter height, and this is the second tree which height is 8 meter. On the opposite line him are of 30 degree and 45 degree. So 6 centimeter का angle is equal to 30 degree and 8 meter angle is 45 degree. Okay, according to question, I make a figure and I draw a line, baseline here. So find the width of the stream. We have need to find the width of the stream. So I give the point A, B, C, D and E. So A के अपोजिट स्मॉल a, B के अपोजिट स्मॉल b, कैपिटल C के अपोजिट स्मॉल c, कैपिटल E के अपोजिट जो है वो स्मॉल e एंड कैपिटल D के अपोजिट यहाँ पर भी C और कैपिटल D के अपोजिट स्मॉल d. So here is the figure and we have need to find out the width of the stream and this is called a base. So here AD equal to B plus E. So AD is equal to AC plus CD. So I make the angle of which is 45 degree पे 8 meter and we have need to find out the base of this. So consider a triangle A, B and C. Theta is equal to 45 degree and this is called perpendicular because opposite of the angle is the perpendicular. So perpendicular is equal to 8 meter, which is denoted by small c. Okay, perpendicular is equal to 8 meter, which is denoted by small c, and we have need to find out the base, which is denoted by small b. Okay, यहाँ हमने 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाया base, which is equal to small b, which is denoted by small b, and we have need to find out the b. So here we know tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. We know theta is equal to 45 degree and perpendicular is equal to 8. Okay, first I write the identity of this 8 upon b and tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So equal sign is here, so b multiplied by 1 which is equal to b and 8 as it is. So here is the value of b base, which is equal to 8 meter. So then I find the width of the next angle, which is C, E and D. So consider a triangle C, E, C, D, E. Okay, so where theta is equal to 30 degree and opposite side of angle is perpendicular, which is denoted by small c and which is equal to 6 meters. So perpendicular is equal to small c is equal to 6 meter, and base we have need to find out, which is denoted by small e, and we have need to find out the value of this. So here we also apply the tan theta formula is equal to perpendicular upon base. So we know the theta is equal to 30 degree and perpendicular is small c upon small e. I write the identity of them. Tan 30 degree, according to chart, the value of tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon under root 3 and value of c is 6, and we have need to find out the value of width, which is denoted by small e. So here is the equal sign. So e multiplied by 1 and 6 multiplied by under root 3. So value of e which is base, is equal to 10.39 meter. Here we multiply 6 under root 3. 6 under root 3 multiplied by. So I find this all. Okay, E is equal to 10.39 meter. So width of the stream, width of the river is equal to AD is equal to B plus E. B is equal to 8 meter and A is equal to 10 point is equal to 6 under root 3. ओके, यही वाली वैल्यू लिख देंगे. सो 8 प्लस 6 अंडर, ये वाली वैल्यू लिख दें या आप अंडर रूट में ही लिख दें तो ज़्यादा सही है. सो 8 प्लस 6 under root 3 which is equal to AD is equal to 18.39. 8 plus 6 under root 3 is equal to 18.39 and this is our answer. The width of the river is 18.39 meter. So now let's come to the next question. So here question 11 is find the measure of angle of elevation of sun that the shadow of a bamboo 9 meter long is 3 under root 3 meter. So here I make a figure. Here is a sun. Okay, first I draw a sun and here is a bamboo which height is 9 meter and here I make an angle of elevation. Angle of elevation and here is an angle and theta is equal to, theta is not given here, and this is a shadow which is equal to 3 under root 3 meter. So A, B and C, we have need to find out the theta, the value of theta. So we have 9 meter and second value is 3 under root 3 meter and we have to find out the value of theta. So using, consider a triangle ABC where theta, so we have need to find out the theta. So I write a question mark here and we know perpendicular. Okay, opposite side of angle, capital A opposite side small a and capital C small c and capital B small b. Perpendicular is equal to 9 meter and base is equal to small b which is equal to 3 under root 3. So here I use a tan theta formula, using tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, because we know the value of perpendicular and base, so we can easily find the value of theta with the help of this. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular is equal to 9 meter and base is equal to 3 under root 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Cancel out. So tan theta is equal to 3 under root 3. So 3 under root 3 multiplied by under root 3, okay, equal to under root 3 square, square से square root cancel, so 3 बचा हमारे पास. So we can say under root 3 multiplied by under root 3 equal to 3. So in a place of 3 we can write under root 3 multiplied by under root 3 and divided by under root 3 as it is. So under root 3 is under root 3 cancel out. So tan theta is equal to under root 3. So here we find the value of theta. So theta and tan equal के बाद inverse, tan inverse root 3. So tan theta is equal to 60 degree. So here we easily find the theta. Value of theta is equal to 60 degree. So here I write the answer. Okay, so the angle of elevation of the sun is 60 degree and this is the answer. So next question is question number 13. A pole 14 meter high on the bank of a stream makes an angle of 30 degree with a place on the opposite bank. Find the breadth of the stream. So we have a pole and the height of a pole is 14 meter and a bank of a stream. Here is a bank of a stream which is equal to 30 degree. Theta is equal to with a place on the okay. So we have need out the find out the breadth of the stream. So A, B and C. Theta is equal to 30 degree. A का opposite is small a, B का opposite is small b and C का opposite is small c, and we have need to find out the B, breadth of the stream. Angle के opposite side हमेशा perpendicular. Okay, so we have need to find out the breadth of the stream. एंगल के अपोजिट साइड हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर होती है. सो कंसिडर अ ट्रायंगल ABC. So where we know the theta is equal to 30 degree and perpendicular is equal to 14 meter, small a denoted by small a and equal to 14 meter, and we have need to find out the breadth of the stream which is base and which is denoted by small b. So now we can use the tan theta formula because we know the value of perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So we know the value of theta. Tan theta is equal to okay. So value of theta is 30 degree. Perpendicular is equal to 14 and we have need to find out the value of B. So here I write the B. Tan 30 degree according to chart is 1 upon under root 3 is equal to 14 upon B. Equal sign is here, so B multiply हो जाएगा 1 से and under root 3 multiply हो जाएगा 14 से. So B multiply by 1 which is equal to B and 14 multiply by under root 3. So here we multiply this 14 under root 3, B equal to 24.248 meter. So the breadth of the stream is 24.248 meter. So here is our answer. Now let's come to the next question. Question number 17. A ladder is placed against a wall making an angle of 60 degree with the floor and reaching a height of 60 dm. Find the height of the ladder. Okay, so here is we have a ladder which is placed against a wall. So here is a wall and this is the ladder and the angle is 60 degree. Okay, and I draw a line. The height of okay, so height is 60 dm and we have need to find out the length of the ladder. So this is the ladder. ये एक ladder है जो कि wall से जो है वो प्लेस हुए वॉल पे एंड हमने पॉइंट दे दिए ABC. कैपिटल ए के अगेंस्ट स्मॉल है, कैपिटल बी के अगेंस्ट स्मॉल बी और कैपिटल सी के अपोजिट जो है वो स्मॉल सी. सो एंगल के अपोजिट साइड हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर होती है और वी हैव नीड टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द लैडर. सो कंसिडर a triangle a right angle triangle ABC, where we know the theta is equal to 60 degree and A, which is equal to perpendicular, is equal to 60 dm, and we have need to find out the hypotenuse value, which is the length of the ladder. We have need to find out. So we can use the sine theta formula, because we know the value of perpendicular, we know the value of theta, and we have need to find out the value of hypotenuse. So theta is equal to 60 degree and perpendicular is equal to 60 meter. So here I write their identity. So 60 degree, according to chart, the value of 60 degree is equal to under root 3 upon 2, equal to A is equal to 60, and we have need to find out the hypotenuse, which is denoted by small c. So c multiplied by under root 3, अंडर रूट 3 जो है वो c से, सो 60 जो है वो 2 यहाँ डिवाइड हो रहा था तो 60 से मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, अंडर रूट 3 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था तो 60 से क्या हो गया, डिवाइड हो गया, और हमें वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी थी c की, सो हमने यहाँ पर c इक्वल करके हमने लिख लिया. सो 60 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 120 एंड डिवाइड बाई अंडर रूट 3 एज इट इज़ आ गया. सो वी सॉल्व दिस वैल्यू, c इज इक्वल टू, विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैलकुलेटर वी कैन सॉल्व. c इज इक्वल टू 120 डिवाइड बाई अंडर रूट 3, द वैल्यू इज़ 69.28. वी राइट हियर dm बिकॉज क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास जो है वैल्यू थी वो dm में गिवन थे. सो द height of the ladder is 69.2 dm. Okay, the length of the ladder is 69.28 dm. Here is the answer. So next question is question number 18. A kite is flying at an angle of 45 degree with the ground. About 70 meter of string have been let out, ignoring the sag in the string. Find the height of the kite above the ground. So here I make the figure. So here is a kite which is flying. Okay, kite जो है वो, और एंगल हमारे पास क्या है 45 डिग्री. ये एक काइट है. ओके, विच इज़ फ्लाइंग एट 45 डिग्री और स्ट्रिंग अबव बीन विच इज़ इक्वल टू 70 मीटर. So find the height of the kite above the ground. So we have need to find out the height of the kite. Okay, so पॉइंट लिख लेंगे A B C. कैपिटल ए के अपोजिट स्मॉल ए, कैपिटल बी के अपोजिट स्मॉल बी, कैपिटल सी के अपोजिट स्मॉल सी. सो वी हैव नीड टू फाइंड आउट द, ओके, एंगल के अपोजिट साइड हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर, और जो दोनों एंगल को मिलाए वो हाइपोटेनियस. एंगल के अपोजिट साइड परपेंडिकुलर, सो वी हैव नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर एंड वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ हाइपोटेनियस विच इज इक्वल टू 70 मीटर. सो कंसिडर अ राइट ट्राइंगल. सो ट्राइंगल ABC वेयर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 45 degree and hypotenuse, we know the value of hypotenuse is equal to 70 degree, 70 meter, and we have need to find out the value of perpendicular. So यहाँ पर हम फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे sin theta using sin theta formula, because we know the value of hypotenuse and we know theta is equal to 45 degrees, so we have need to find out the value of perpendicular. So we can easily use the formula of sin theta. Theta is equal to 45 degree, perpendicular we have need to find out, so small a, and hypotenuse denoted by small c. Okay, so we find the sin 45 degree according to chart is equal to 1 upon under root 2 a as it is, and c is equal to 70 meter which is hypotenuse. So sin 45 degree is equal to 1 upon under root 2, 70 equal के बाद, so 70 multiplied by 1 which is equal to 70 and under root 2 as it is. So now we calculate a is equal to 70 divided by under root 2. With the help of calculator you can easily calculate this. Okay, so 70 divided by under root 2 is equal to 49.49 meter. Okay, so A is equal to 49.49. The height of the kite above the ground is 49.49 meters. So here is the answer. So students, I hope you all understand this clearly. If you have any question, any queries, you can ask in a Google Classroom. And the questions which are not right here, so these questions are not included on your syllabus. And practice is all questions. And we will meet in our next video, in next session. So till Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.